Hi YouTube, this is Batman Fan 50001 doing a review of the Watchmen's toy Ozymandias. I haven't opened him, I got him a lot earlier today, and I waited to open him for you guys, so let's open him up. Let's see how we do with him. Yes, I'm tearing into the box because I really can't wait. Ozymandias out of the box. I think he's a pretty good figure. I mean, he's got a 360-degree spin on the head. No ab movement at all, but better than Rorschach. I'm not even going to get started on him. He's got up and down. He's jointed at the elbow. He can move his arm out like that. With the legs, it's a matter of pin jointed knee. That's pretty much what the legs are. I mean, for the movie, I think this is a really decent figure. I mean, obviously not for the book, but for the movie and overall, yeah, he's a pretty good figure. I mean, you wouldn't want, I don't know, if you're a fan of superheroes, you'd probably want this. If you're not, well, that sucks to be you, and pretty much, yeah. And, he looks pretty good. I'm gonna get a nice facial on the mask. Let me try to get a zooming up mask. I'm gonna set him down for a moment. Let's see here. Well, no. Well, it's not happening. It's not really clear, so. Yeah, I like this figure, personally. The cape's made of rubber, so I like that kind of cape. I mean, the cloth capes can just get in the way, in my opinion. I don't know what you like. But, overall, I give this figure like a 9.5 out of 10. Problem, though, I don't know if it's a problem for some of you, but for me, yeah. Obviously, Zack Snyder, the director of the Watchmen, wanted to use the same costume designer that Joel Schumacher used for Batman Forever and Batman and Robin. I don't know if it's the same person, but you're not going to tell on my camera, but there's actually nipples on this costume. It's really weird and awkward, and I don't know. It's weird. Well, this is Batman Fan 50001. Thanks for watching my toy review of Ozymandias.